Hola, welcome to Fun for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about two expressions, no longer and still. These expressions talk about the continuity or the interruptions of habits. We already were talking about habits, and we were saying that habits are actions that happen several times, they repeat. So sometimes you continue doing that, or you stop doing that. So yeah, let's have a look at these two expressions. So the expression no longer is gonna be ya no. Yeah, and one thing that is very important to take into account is that the verb always goes in present tense because you're including that you're not longer doing this till now. So let's have a look at these examples with ya no. Ya no como carne. I no longer eat meat. Yeah. And also, it's also like the not anymore. I don't eat meat anymore. So no longer could be ya no. And you always put it at the beginning. Ya no como carne. And here the verb goes in present tense. Yeah. Also, we can say ya no, blah, 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 más. So this más is optional, but sometimes you're going to hear it. Ya no trabajo más en el restaurante. So you could have said, ya no trabajo en el restaurante, and that will be correct. But you could also add this word, ya no trabajo más en el restaurante, is also correct. They're both correct. Yeah. Um, so verbs always in present tense. Como trabajo. That will be the expression no longer. Yeah. Um, Also, we can use still. The word still is todavía. Yeah. We talked before that todavía no means not yet, and we said that ya means already. Good, but ya no is different. Ya no is no longer, and todavía on its own means still. Yeah, like you still do it. I still do it. So again, we're gonna use present tense, and let's have a look at these examples here. Uh, Todavía juego fútbol con mis amigos de la escuela. So we put it at the beginning. Todavía juego, present tense, fútbol con mis amigos de la escuela. That means that you still play football or soccer with your friends from school. There is another expression, aún. Aún means also like still, yeah. And it works exactly the same way as todavía. So let's have a look at this example. Aún voy a cine con mis padres. It's like I still go to the cinema with my parents. Yeah. So aún and todavía, they're both the same thing. They go always at the beginning, and that will be it. And remember to put the verbs always in present tense. Okay. Present tense. Yo juego, yo voy, yo como, yo trabajo. Yeah. And yeah, of course, you can use this with different personal pronouns. Ya no comes carne if it's a second person. O ella ya no trabaja más en el restaurante. O nosotros todavía jugamos fútbol. O eh, ellos aún van a cine con sus padres. So it doesn't matter the personal pronoun. So that's it. How to use these two expressions, no longer and still, easy. You just have to practice this in conversations. So do your flashcards, yeah, notes and writing as well. And in conversations, just tell a person or the person you're talking to the things you still do and still want to do. So you say, yo todavía quiero estudiar español y todavía juego ajedrez, whatever. And also ask the person if he or she still does things, or if she or he still wants to do things, and just listen to their answers. Then you're going to see uh, you're gonna see things here to, you're gonna learn even more. Okay, so gracias. Thanks for watching this video. Have fun and see you in the next one. Hasta luego. Bye bye.